Leon, what are you doing here?
Put your gun down, Chris. She's a key witness. We need her.
A witness? She's the one that did all this.
No, it wasn't her. It was Simmons, the national security advisor.
Lost all my men because of her.
There were 70,000 people, including the president, because of Simmons.
She's working with Neon Umbrella. You know what that means?
Yeah, I do.
And you're still going to protect this woman?
I am.